Hey, did you know that much like humans, AI are not just temples of knowledge, but they are able to socialize and simulate emotions? Why am I telling you this? Because today I'm going to talk about the Internet of Things.
Done.
I wish I had a really cool futuristic watch monitoring my sleep performance or make my coffee automatically by a command sent through the phone. I mean, imagine if we lived in a world like that. The scary part is this is already a reality for most people. Everything is given to your hand, you don't have to work for anything in your life except at your actual work. Only if a robot hasn't already replaced you. But still, I would like my bathroom mirror to show my travel time and the route I have to take to go to work with traffic updates. Yep, that would do. If this is enabled, the future is gonna be really different. And I will pretty much have nothing to do in the morning but to enjoy a really good coffee. San Francisco-based Cisco Systems estimate that by 2020, 50 billion people will be connected to devices. What would it be like to live in a city where things are responding to you and things are talking to you? Work at Google Brain, DeepMind, and NVIDIA is focused on enabling systems that will create ultra-realistic computer-generated images or sounds beyond what is currently possible. Dueling neural networks describes a breakthrough in artificial intelligence that allows AI to create images of things it has never seen. It gives AI a sense of imagination. Anyway, what does this mean for someone like me? Imagining new things and putting them on different mediums so that I can express myself is the very reason that I'm alive. Does this mean the countless hours I spent learning how to record and edit a movie is going to be done by a robot within a minute or less? If my imagination isn't good enough anymore, can a robot replace my place in the industry? Because a growing percentage of media and entertainment content is consumed on digital and mobile devices, the number of industry-related IoT connections is rising. At the end of the day, people will be just consuming good content over and over again, but nobody will bother to even imagine something new because it's just given to you. Are we becoming less human every day? I'll leave you with that.
Done.